At the heart of our planet lies a mysterious world, thriving beneath rainforests, across wide savannas, and in icy polar regions. This world is home to animals with fascinating and surprising lives. As we start our journey to explore the hidden lives of these wild creatures, we should ask, what amazing behaviors and abilities are we missing in nature? How do these animals survive and thrive in their unique homes? In today's video, let's find it out. The rainforest realm. In the rainforests, the colorful plants and thick greenery are more than just beautiful. They provide a home for many animals with amazing abilities. Take the mantis shrimp, for example, a sea creature known for its incredible eyesight. Did you know this shrimp can see polarized light and colors that humans can't even detect? This special vision helps it hunt and interact with others in ways that are beyond our understanding. The mantis shrimp's eyes can recognize over 12 different colors, while humans only see 3. This helps them communicate with other shrimp in ways that remain hidden from us. But rainforests are not just about seeing things. They're also full of interesting sounds and communication. Look at the pygmy marmoset, one of the tiniest monkeys in the world. How does this little animal live in such a complex world? It uses high-pitched sounds to talk to others in its group. These calls are often too high for humans to hear, but they send important messages, like warning about danger or telling others where to find food. The way these tiny monkeys communicate shows just how smart animals can be. The Savannah Symphony. In the wide-open plains of the savanna, animals face different challenges and need special abilities to survive. Take the cheetah, for example. It's famous for being incredibly fast. But how does it reach such high speeds? The cheetah has a slim body, big nostrils for breathing, and strong muscles that help it run up to 70 miles per hour. Its light body and flexible spine allow it to run quickly and change direction with ease. However, this speed comes with a downside. Cheetahs can only run fast for short distances. This means they need to carefully plan their hunts, using their sharp eyesight to spot prey from far away. They rely on sneaking up quietly and then using a quick burst of speed to catch their target. After the chase, they need to rest because they burn a lot of energy, making each hunt a big risk. On the other hand, the giraffe's long neck is another amazing feature. How does it help the giraffe survive? With its long neck, the giraffe can reach leaves high up in trees that other animals can't get to, giving it an advantage when food is scarce. Giraffes also use their necks in fights, swinging them like weapons in necking battles to show dominance and attract mates. Their height also helps them keep an eye out for predators, giving them a better chance of avoiding danger and staying safe in the savanna. The Arctic Wonderland. Heading into the cold Arctic, we find animals that show amazing toughness. Take the polar bear, for example. It has learned to survive in one of the most difficult places on Earth. But how does this top predator manage to live in such extreme conditions? Its thick layer of fat and dense fur keeps it warm, while its large paws work like snowshoes, helping it walk on ice without sinking. Polar bears are also strong swimmers, able to travel long distances in search of food. Their sharp sense of smell helps them detect seals from over a mile away, even when the seals are hidden under thick ice. In the icy waters, we come across the narwhal, a whale with a long spiral tusk that brings up interesting questions. What does this tusk do? People once thought it was used for fighting, but new studies suggest it might help the narwhal sense changes in its environment. The tusk is covered with millions of nerve endings, which could help the narwhal notice differences in water temperature and salt levels. This shows how animals use their bodies in ways we don't always understand. Narwhals are also great divers, able to go over 1,500 meters deep to find food, showing just how well they have adapted to life in the deep sea. The desert mystery. In the dry, hot deserts, staying alive can be very difficult. The fennec fox, with its big ears, shows us how animals adjust to their surroundings. But how do its large ears help it survive in the desert? The fennec fox's ears release heat, which helps the fox keep its body cool under the scorching desert sun. Its sharp hearing also lets it hear prey and predators from far away. By being active at night, The fox avoids the extreme heat of the day, showing how well it has adapted to its harsh environment. Another desert creature, the Australian thorny devil, uses a different method to survive. How does this reptile stay hydrated in such a dry place? The thorny devil has special grooves on its skin that collect water from dew and rain and direct it to its mouth. This helps the thorny devil stay hydrated in a place with very little water. The thorny devil also has amazing camouflage, which helps it blend in with its surroundings and hide from predators, increasing its chances of survival. The ocean's secrets. The vast oceans are home to many mysterious creatures. One fascinating example is the deep-sea anglerfish, which has a glowing lure on its head. But how does this fish use its light? The anglerfish lives in the dark, deep parts of the ocean where sunlight can't reach. Its glowing lure helps it attract prey, making hunting easier in the darkness. This light, called bioluminescence, is made by special bacteria that live in the lure, creating a glow that draws in other fish. In shallower waters, the octopus shows impressive intelligence and problem-solving skills. How does this creature move through its world? The octopus can change its color and texture to blend into its surroundings and hide from predators. It can also solve problems, like escaping from tight spaces, opening jars to get food, and even using objects like coconut shells for protection. These behaviors show how smart and adaptable octopuses are in their environment. As we explore the secret lives of wild animals, it becomes clear that every adaptation and behavior is part of a bigger picture. These hidden worlds teach us about the strength, creativity, and variety of life on Earth. But many of these animals face new dangers because of habitat loss, climate change, and human actions. The delicate balance of their environments is in danger, and many species are close to disappearing forever. How can we protect these mysterious creatures and their homes? Conservation should focus on saving natural habitats, reducing conflicts between people and wildlife, and encouraging eco-friendly practices. It's important to support protected areas, use land responsibly, and work with local communities. By learning about these animals and their homes, we can inspire others to help protect our planet's amazing wildlife. In the end, the secret lives of wild creatures show us a world full of surprising adaptations and behaviors that challenge what we know about nature. As we continue to explore and uncover these hidden worlds, we not only appreciate the complexity of life, but also feel a stronger responsibility to protect the fragile balance of nature. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the secret lives of wild creatures. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting wildlife adventures, and we'll see you in the next video.